In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam chat not working. If you've opened Steam and noticed that you can't send or receive messages, the most common cause is surprisingly simple. Your status is set to offline. When Steam marks you as offline, it doesn't just hide you from friends. It also disables chat entirely. The good news is that fixing this only takes a few clicks. Start by opening the Steam desktop app. Look down to the bottom left corner of the main window and find the Friends and Chat button. Click that, and a small Friends list window will pop up. This is where all your chats and friend activity live, and it's also where your current status is shown. At the top of that Friends window, next to your profile name and avatar, you'll see a small caret icon, like a little downward arrow. Click that caret to open the status menu. From here, choose Online if you want to appear available and fully active. This option immediately re-enables chat, so you can send messages, receive replies, and see who's around. If you prefer a quieter experience but still want to chat, select Invisible instead. Invisible makes you appear offline to others, but it keeps chat working in the background. You'll be able to read and send messages without broadcasting that you're online, which is perfect when you want to focus but still need to communicate. Once you've selected Online or Invisible, your chat should spring back to life. Try opening a conversation again. You should see your messages sending normally. If chat still looks inactive, double-check that your status didn't revert to offline. Steam sometimes remembers your last setting between sessions, so it's easy to forget it was left on offline after a previous login. While you're in that status menu, note that options like Away or Do Not Disturb won't disable chat, but Do Not Disturb can silence notifications. If your issue is that messages aren't popping up, you may be in Do Not Disturb rather than offline. For full chat functionality with notifications, Online is the safest choice. That's all there is to it. Most Steam chat issues come down to that status toggle. Click Friends and Chat, open the caret next to your name, and switch to Online or Invisible. With that change, you should be back to sending and receiving messages without any trouble. If you want to stay discreet, stick with Invisible. If you want to be fully visible to friends, choose Online. Either way, your chat will work.